So guys, in this video we are going to enumerate this WordPress website we have set up in the previous video. As you guys can see, my site is up and running. I have just started this Apache and MySQL in the XAMPP control panel. So just click on the site admin and you will get this. So I have activated some plugins here. Unfortunately I got error on activating this reflex gallery, so I have activated these three. So this one asked for account, so I just don't care about this. So this duplicator and Hadodari were activated, and you guys can see you need to change WP admin route to another something name so that anyone could not find this dashboard. But we are just doing for the pen test, right? So let's go ahead and see this tool, that is WP scan, WordPress scan. You can see -H for the help page. So guys, you can see this is the help page, and options you can do is you can specify the URL path, and the H for help, verbose, output, format, and all those things. You can just save it to any file. And the option we will see in this video is -E option, that is enumerate option. You can see the choices: enumerate vulnerable plugins, all plugins. So we will do this all plugins and also all themes. And you can also export to the database, and you can also scan the users also. So that's what we are going to do in this video enumeration. You can also give the password list and username list for the brute forcing. Let's do WP scan. Specify this URL HTTP, and so the web IP address is 0.103 WordPress. So IP address of my Windows 10 machine. First, does not give any arguments, and just let's simply scan with the WP scan. So guys, it has found some interesting headers saying the Apache version and Windows 64 bit, and also the PHP version. So it has found some information from the headers. It's saying 100% this is the PHP 7.2.34, and you guys can see there is XML RPC seems to be enabled, and there are some references to this. So you can use these scanners to confirm that XML RPC login. And WordPress readme found. So we need to change these routes before deploying into the actual outside the internet. So upload directory has been enabled. So WordPress WP content uploads. So if there is any PHP myadmin file upload vulnerability, what you can do is you can upload a PHP script, and you can go to this upload / the file name.php, and then your code will be executed. Generally we will do with this LFI to get the reversal. So WP cron seems to be enabled. So there are some issues about this, and you can check it out here, and you can also see the version of WordPress, that is 5.5.3. so it's the latest version. If there is any older version of WordPress, you can just use the search sprite, or you can search for online about this WordPress version exploits. The main theme could not be detected. It's a 2020 theme I have been using, so it's default. It's a 2020 theme. Appearance themes. So this is a 2020 theme. So we are using this 2020 theme, but it does not recognize this theme anymore. It's gone. Alright, it has also found no plugins found. So this tool is failing in identifying the plugins, even though I activated these plugins. So you have just got the basic information about the WordPress. So we did not get the plugins information. Let's go for users. Let's find out what users are available for the WordPress login. So there is a one user, Nikki. So I have created in the previous video, and the URL is here, and you can see the ID. So we got the user successfully, but let's also enumerate the themes. So what themes you have? 2020 theme. Let's just use this 80. Main theme could not be detected. So now it should detect the theme as 2020, but as you guys can see, if you update the software, then the tools find the difficulty in identifying these vulnerable themes. So that's why always make sure your software is up to date. So it's taking much time, and we also say plugins. So it's still not found plugins, but we have got successfully the users and some basic enumeration information. So maybe I should install some more plugins to. So that's all for this video, guys. WordPress enumeration. I suggest you to install the older version of this WordPress, like 2019 or 2018 version, and then use this WP scan. It will work perfectly with no errors.